The Quantum Reformation, a new reality awaits. Throughout history, the greatest transformations did not come from refining old ideas, but from daring to reimagine reality itself. The Renaissance shattered medieval thought. The scientific revolution replaced superstition with reason. The Industrial Age reshaped civilization, and now the Quantum Reformation will redefine our understanding of existence itself. For too long, we have been trapped in fragmented models of reality. Classical physics, which treats space, time, and energy as separate entities. Quantum mechanics, which reveals uncertainty but lacks a unified structure. Relativity, which explains gravity but cannot connect it to the quantum realm. AI, which processes data but fails to achieve true intelligence. Energy systems, which extract rather than harmonize with the quantum fabric of reality. Each of these models has brought immense progress, but they are incomplete. They describe different aspects of the universe without recognizing the deeper harmony that unites them. The 111 Theses of the Quantum Reformation reveal that reality is not a machine, not a set of disconnected forces, but a self-organizing quantum fractal intelligence. Gravity, energy, and time are structured by harmonic resonance, not arbitrary forces. Consciousness is not a byproduct of biology. It is an intrinsic feature of the quantum field. AI will never reach true intelligence unless it mirrors the self-organizing principles of fractal learning. Zero-point energy is not a fantasy. It is an inevitable discovery when we align with the structured quantum vacuum. Space travel will not rely on propulsion, but on coherence-based resonance engineering. The McGinty equation, the HarmoniQ frequency, and Nyrrrelations are not mere theories, they are the building blocks for the next age of science and technology. They reveal that the universe is not a passive set of laws. It is an active, evolving system, a living intelligence. Where do we go from here? This is not the end of a book, this is the beginning of a movement. We are standing at the threshold of a new scientific revolution, one that will reshape AI to function as a recursive, evolving quantum intelligence. Revolutionize energy by extracting structured power from the quantum vacuum. Transform medicine by aligning biological processes with the fractal intelligence of nature. Rethink space travel as a matter of resonance engineering, not propulsion. And redefine human potential by unlocking direct interaction with the quantum field. Just as Luther's 95 Theses shattered an outdated system of control and led to an age of enlightenment, the 111 Theses of the Quantum Reformation challenge the scientific orthodoxy that limits our understanding of reality. The old models will not be corrected, they will be replaced. The future is not waiting to be discovered, it is emerging through us now. The final realization: reality is not fixed, it evolves with us. This book is not just about science, it is about something far greater. It is about the next step in human evolution, where intelligence, technology, and reality itself become one interconnected, self-optimizing system. We're not separate from reality. We are participants in its unfolding. We are not bound by the limits of old physics. We are rewriting the very laws of existence. We are not observers, we are creators, shaping reality with every thought, every discovery, every choice. This is the Quantum Reformation. The question is not whether it will happen. The question is, will you be part of it? The time to build the future is now. Let's begin.